Patricia, your rideshare angel. In today's video, I will be showing you the 3 dash cameras that I tried and the one that I like the most. Now, some of you may need to get back out there driving. I mentioned in my last video, you definitely want to protect yourself by having a roadside eyewitness, which is the dash camera. In the last video, I showed how some Uber and Lyft drivers were being attacked because they asked the passenger to put on their mask, and many other reasons. Not to mention, it's a great way to show proof of an incident. As you can see, there are so many dash cameras to choose from. I know in order for me to feel comfortable, I'm going to have a dash camera and I'm going to get my son one as well. I'm not a technical person at all, so this process for looking for a dash camera has been very interesting. I've researched many dash cameras and this is what I came up with. The first camera that I purchased, which is the Alkey camera from eBay. This is me installing it, as you can see. The cable is long enough to go down the panel so it can be out your way. I noticed that it only has one lens, so I would need to turn the camera to face the area I want recorded. This is a no for me. My second choice is the ThinkWare F200. I purchased this from Best Buy. By this time, I was getting a little anxious, so I forgot to video myself installing the ThinkWare F200 dash camera. But it does come with the front and the rear camera. Now you would place the rear camera on the back windshield so you can see the back of the car. And then the front camera as well so you can see the outside, the front of the car. I think this camera is great for someone who doesn't do ride sharing. If you want to get a dash camera that is good to protect you and your family, I think that the ThinkWare F200 would be a great choice. This is a camera that, because my son, he is driving most of the time to work, school, this would be a yes for him. Now check out my third choice. We have an adapter, a suction cup, cable, and the camera. This is the INSIGNIA HD dual dash camera. It has a front lens, and then I'll turn it around so you can see the rear lens. Turn it the right way. The rear lens, and that shows you the inside of the camera cabin. The front lens shows you the front, the outside of the car. But you need a SD card, a micro SD card between 8 gigs and 128 gigabytes. This one costs $17.99. It comes with the adapter. I'll explain to you how that's used at the end. Let me show you how to install it. It comes, as you see, in just a few pieces. You connect it. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Before you put it up onto the glass, I would recommend you plug it into the adapter and start the initial setup. They ask you a few questions, the date, the time. You can have the choice between the languages. It's not touchscreen, and you do need to use the arrows and hit the OK to navigate to the next step. I am so excited about this camera. I think I got it. I think I finally got what I really need. Now this came up, the memory era. So of course, I just took the SD card back out, put it back in, and voila. I suctioned the camera up to the window. And as you see, it shows you right on the screen what you are recording, the inside of the car and the outside of the car. The video quality is good. I'm so excited. I believe third time is a charm. So now I want to show y'all what it looks like and what it sounds like. Hi, Miss Maxine. How are you? Do you have a mask?
No, I don't.
Okay, I have a mask for you. How are you doing today?
Good.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Alright. So if you can put your mask on and
I'll
we'll
be
head
glad
right
to.
on. Thank you so much.
We want to be safe.
Thank you. How you doing today?
Great. Thank you so much for picking me up so promptly.
You're very Hello, Mr. Lindsay.
Take me to my boss, will you?
All right. How are you today?
Alive and kicking.
Oh, that's cool.
Mostly kicking.
Well, I have you on camera. Trying to see. Wave to the camera. This is definitely the camera. I am so excited. This is the camera that I needed. I like how clear it was during the daytime. I love how it looks at night. You can see the movement. You can see my passenger very clearly. Even if there was someone sitting in the front, you'll be able to see them. The only thing that looks crazy is my eyes, and of course, it makes me look good with a nice blonde hair. But next, I would like to show you, once I drop him off, how to get the information from the SD card. Now, and I recommend you take your camera down to pull out your SD card, and then you put it into the adapter. Slides right in there easily. And this goes onto the side of your computer, laptop. Push it all the way in, and then you go to your folders, select, and for me it was the D drive, and then you select video, and here are the videos. It shows it from front, rear, front, rear, front, rear, the different times, the date is stamped, and here is a sample of how it looks once you pull it up. I give this camera 2 thumbs up. I highly recommend it. Bought this for $99. Found it on eBay for $45.75. So y'all can get it for half the price. Like always, please like, comment, and share. And most importantly, please subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you so much. And click the notification bell so you can be notified when there is another video. Until next time, bye.